Looking for salon-worthy blowouts? Try the One-Step hairdryer and volumizer to dry and add body. The unique oval design is perfect for extra lift at the roots and smooth curled ends in up to half the time. One-step styling and gorgeous results. Style confidently.
Hi, I'm Allison, and on today's Hot Tools How-To, we're learning how to use the hairdryer to get more volume out of fine hair. Start by spritzing a heat-protecting leave-in conditioner. Then, you're ready for the new Hot Tools Signature Series hairdryer. While your hair is still damp, let's give it a quick full blast to fluff up your hair and add texture. Continue until your hair is about 80% dry. Now, put the concentrator on, which is included with your Hot Tools hairdryer, and use your round brush to set the volume in the crown. This will help to lock in volume. Once your hair is completely dry, top it off with a quick spritz of hairspray. There you go! Even fine hair can be full. All it takes is you and the Hot Tools Signature Series, because everyone deserves beautiful.